Hi guys, I'm Steve Popelka. Welcome back to Steve's Fab Shop. We finished up our project up north. We're back in the shop now. I got 15 gallons of viscosity 46 hydraulic oil, which is what they put in their electrical cabinet in Ironworker, tell you to fill before you use it. So I took 20 minutes and dumped 15 gallons in there. I had my electrician stay after a little bit and wire it up. We're here, it's kind of late at night, but I'm kind of excited to use the equipment. So if you bear with me, I'm gonna figure out how to turn on the machine and we'll see what this baby can do. So I did, before we rolled the film, I did put a punch in, figured out how to put a punch in. It's pretty easy setup. There's kind of an Allen keyway in there. So you put your punch and die in. Pretty intuitive. I gotta admit, I read some of the manual. Haven't read all the manual. I'm sure I'll get through that eventually, but you guys know how it is when you buy a new piece of equipment. You get so excited you want to run it. So that's what we're going to do. So this table comes off, but I think what I want to do is try and fire up the machine, run a flat piece of steel through the punch first, because that's a function we're likely going to do very frequently. So I'll come over here. It's got power supply. Emergency stop is off. Okay. And if this looks cumbersome, this is actually really the first time that I'll be running this machine. So let's see here. Auto, manual, jog, normal, pump on. There we go. Okay. I'll go ahead and throw my safety glasses on and we'll hit the foot pedal and we'll see what happens. It's operating. Well, I'll tell you what, I'll go grab a piece of steel and we'll try this thing out. Get a whole piece of diamond plate here. This is going to be my first hole, guys. Go ahead and see what happens here. Boy, I walked right through that. Try another one. See it kind of riding up on the punch a little bit, but then the stripper just drops it right off. That's pretty nice. Let's try another hole. Yeah, that's not bad. I think what I want to do, we're going to use this punch a lot, so I'm going to try and remove this adjustable table that they've got and see if I can punch something a little bigger. This is an old hole that was drilled. I think what I'll do, this is half inch. We'll see how this reacts. Well, I blasted right through it. Yeah, it's a bunch of fun. I'm going to try one more hole with that. right out. Wow. Yeah, it just walked right through that. I think what I want to do now is try the shear. Now, from what I was reading, the shear operates on this foot pedal and the punch operates on the other foot pedal. So I'll try and shear off a piece here. We'll use our fence and shear it off. Suppose what I should do is adjust this down. It kind of buckled up on me a little bit. I might mess with that later, but it just walked right through it. I don't know, maybe we want to have the camera go to the back and see what happens when we shear. I think I'll try this notcher. Then eventually I want to grab a piece of angle iron and try and notch a piece of angle iron too. Take another notch on that, see what that looks like. Oh. I think I ran the foot pedal all the way down. There you go. Not bad. Okay. Well, I think I'll try and shear a piece of angle iron, guys. Now the angle iron must be running off of the same foot pedal that it has the flat shear. We'll see what it does. Actually, you know what? Baby does here. Oh yeah. You can see that walked right through that. Maybe you want to run to the back and I'll shear it again. Just trying it the first time, I gotta say it's working great. I think I'll try and notch this piece of angle and then we'll just wrap up the movie. You know what I should do? Gonna work great. Guys, I hate to admit this, but I got so excited to run this machine that I just filled it with oil, had my electrician wire in the single phase plug. Well, I wanted to mention that too. I bought this machine it's a single phase machine. We do have 3-phase power at the shop, but a lot of times I'm figuring that we're going to end up using this off-site. So I wanted to be able to run single phase and not have to worry about dragging a phase converter along. So I did buy the single phase machine. I think that'll prove to be the right thing to do. We'll see. A couple of years from now, I'm sure I'll be able to tell you. Even 6 months from now. I do still have to bolt it to the floor. The thing's so beefy. I mean, it's a beefy machine, so I kind of figured I'd be okay just testing it before bolting it down. I don't think we'll put that in the video. I'll just get our Hilti out and our Hilti hammer drill and put some wedge anchor, half-inch or something, wedge anchor bolts, and that'll be it. But other than that, I'm pretty pleased. I think this machine's going to make us a lot of money. Take care, guys.